Hi, I'm Abhinav and I work as a senior manager at OpenGov. At OpenGov, we are building futuristic product which government, cities and counties can use. So IPL Talentathon is something which is hitting the practical benchmarking in product management. I feel the people I met here are more on practical orientation rather on bookish knowledge. So this makes this entirely different from what typically we understand from any B institute per se. So this is real practical thing which is happening over here. So what I find very specific to candidates is that they are very well prepared and they are authentic in their presentation. Their data is backed by a tremendous amount of research and they understand and are completely sold on what they are trying to present here. So my advice to hiring managers who are specifically targeting PM role in their organization is to start looking for a person who can drive things end to end. Now gone are the days where you can look at the resumes and can shortlist the candidates. It's high time we start involving much in the candidates. Hiring is really important for any organization and how those candidates are being sorted and selected. So I think we need a very practical approach going forward to it, and IPL provides a really great way into it.